naked or something.
Bro, don't ask me why I'm tired, bro. We was gonna walk to the car. Nah, he said he was gonna bring it around. So I done ran there and back. Now I'm tired. But yeah, bro, we finna go eat. And then we gonna go there. I'm not really too much hungry. I don't be eating in the morning for real. I'm not too much of a morning eater. But yeah, bro. Hopefully we have a good time and whatnot. Happy 4th to all y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Probably gonna be dropped the day after the 4th, the 5th. Cause I'm probably gonna be tired as well. But you feel what I'm saying? I'ma still do my little 1-2. See if I can get it out sooner or later. Dang, bro, my spray ground's so dirty, bro. I need to clean this. What the? Hold on, I'm finna get a Clorox wipe to clean this.
I could get you one. My friend sold her spray ground for $20. They're just my car.
Okay. Oh my God. Hold on. Yo, we here, bro. Bro, this shit is crazy. That line long. How you feeling?
I'm scared because I don't want to get on all the water slides. I don't want to like get on all the water slides.
Bro, you'll be fine, bro. You ain't gonna die. We getting in the middle of the lake too, on that little obstacle course.
Oh no, you got that.
You heard? You heard? We got DT in the cut.
I'm not gonna lie, I gotta pee.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Are you right? That was a little too much.
Yeah, Kennedy, don't get here and drink your pool water now. You too. I don't know why you flipping the camera on me. You drank that shit too.
No, I do not.
No, you came in burping. From
my
being from the
God.
pool.
Bro, I just got done eating.
Damn. That nigga, so after y'all, he came back from the pool with y'all. That nigga, he came in the room burping. That boy go
Look,
up
the
there in
longest
that pool water.
Make you look.
You said,
Ron was really eating the water.
you said you were eating the water?
Ron, bro.
Nah, you said you?
I ain't say that.
You drank.
Yeah, it's vlogging, bro. What the fuck is keep down here and shit?
What you like this?
Oh, I was saying
You a bitch. You so dark, nigga. Nobody can't see your bitch ass. Hey, we turning that bitch on my mama. Tell me you lit. Hey, we need 2,000 views on that bitch. I could go viral, real talk. Ain't that right?
I went viral. I got 100K views on my TikTok video.
You see this fat headed ass? What's your name? Introduce yourself. I know he ain't introduced to you your
They
channel.
seen me in other videos. I'm good.
This my big bro.
I'm
My little
19.
sister.
I'm looking for all the hoes, box, anything.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, bro. On camera is crazy, man. But yeah, bro, that's fam. Yeah, that's my good homeboy. But yeah, bro, this is crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro. I don't know when I'm gonna pick it up again, pick this camera up again, cause I probably won't record me get on the rides and shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. And yeah, I might pick up the camera when I start popping fireworks later tonight.
I know, hit that man. And hit that man.
Yeah.
That shit too.
All right, bro. So storytelling, you feel what I'm saying? So. Okay, we went to the little obstacle course on the lake or whatnot, right? Okay, mind you, it's cool and whatnot. And then I go back up there because we finna leave. I'm finna jump again. So you feel me? I gotta give me a little jump in. All right, so boom. I jump. Mind you, when I jump, my feet go the right? And I had like when I'm in the air, I can't do nothing. Cause you feel what I'm saying? I'm in the air, nigga. I can't just change. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not a fucking airbender. And then as soon as that happened, you feel what I'm saying? We going back to the shore and whatnot. And then they called me over there talking about I flipped. I'm telling you, I lived the moment. I literally had witnesses tell me that I fucking slipped. Like, it was just a whole bunch of bullshit. I thought they was feeling, like, I swear I was saying, like, they was being racist, you feel what I'm saying? And then, I don't know, bro, like, and then I wouldn't cooperate with it, like, bro, I'm telling you what happened. Even though it's like a witness, and so I trust my 3 lifeguards. Fuck. Come on, everybody say they slipped. So he had to call whatever the head person, I don't know. And so I'm like, nigga, I'm telling you what happened. But I just don't want to believe nobody. There's a witness that say, you feel what I'm saying? Witness that said I fucking slipped. 3 of them, 4, matter of fact, 4. Beat your lifeguards. Come on, I trust my lifeguards. Like, I'm telling you what happened. Like, I don't know, but that shit just pissed me off to the max, bro. And I didn't, it was like, he was telling me to stay, but my brother was telling me to go. But if I feel like if I would have went, they probably would have kicked me out. So I stayed over there and listened to what they had to say. But I'm not going back over there no more, bro. They can trust me to believe that, bro. They won't see me no more. How you feel about the situation, bro?
Huh? Bullshit, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They some type of racism. Gimmicks and shit. You obviously what they want you to do, bro. You in the water, you mid-air, bro. You flipping. They want you to fix your posture, bro. It's crazy.
Alright, my nigga, I'm not a fucking airbender, nigga. The fuck is you talking about? I'm not an airbender, bro. I don't know, bro. It's just dumb shit, man.
You're not recording.
Huh?
You're not recording. I'm just
Bro, stop playing like that, bro. It's crazy, though. But we finna put that shit aside, you feel what I'm saying? Another one of my homeboys coming at 2 in an hour. But yeah, it's been cool so far. Ever since, you feel what I'm saying? What happened. I'm gonna pick up this camera later, because I'm popping fireworks later and bringing my friends over and whatnot. But yeah, bro, that's how I tell y'all what happened, bro. We got on this too. That be was fun. We're like all the way up there. You feel what I'm saying? I was kind of moving that bit. But yeah, bro. I hope y'all having a good day. If y'all is, let me know. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all when I pick up the camera again. And yeah. You know what I'm saying? This. Ooh, you got mad over a gangster. I did not even know you was here. But yeah, that's the end of the segment of this vlog. You feel what I'm saying? We finna I know, bro. Yeah, you want to knock us off? Yeah. That's mine. What the short ones are. But that's the end of this part. We still, what I'm saying, we still gonna pop fireworks and whatnot. So when I get there, you feel what I'm saying, get situation on it, I'm gonna hit y'all up. You mad tough, Muddy?
Go.
Go ahead, Muddy.
You gotta go, bro.
Go ahead, Muddy.
You gotta go. What about
Go ahead, Muddy. He just slid. I didn't get it all on video, but go ahead, bro. You just come on.
Maybe 1, 2, 3, go. I'm with my brother. Hell no, I'm just lighting up the stove.
Come on, bro.
Bro, I can't rap on this beat.
I put a different beat on it, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
That's you rap. Who we at? Who we at? Only people who do this shit is the Tigers. For some reason.
I gotta use my my phone remote, bro.
Like, why is the short niggas who can rap? Like, it's like, what the fuck?
I don't even know how to rap, bro. Like that.
Like, what the fuck?
I do be saying shit. No, Justin, you gotta rap. Let me see the camera you are. No, what about?
I'm not rapping,
give me
bro.
the camera. Give me the camera.
I'm not
Give me the
rapping.
camera you are.
Bro, we got
B-Dobie. You be listening. You listen to Diva Boo Boo. Be the Boo Boo. What's her name?
this first one.
Go to it.
All right.
Oh.
Nigga, press it.
All right.
Alright, let me go first.
Okay. Hey, let's do what they talking about.
Let me go first.
All right, here we go.
Look. They call me Mr. Clean. She sucked my bean. Last name Green. Like Steve.
Ass name green like Steve. Hit him in the face with my motherfucking beam. Nigga play crazy, I'ma put him on a pot like Sting. Nigga play crazy, hit him one time, then I hit him then. Everybody know I stack back, then I'm fucking green. Nigga play get hit with K, nigga play get hit with Okay, rah with my Glock, my boss is gon' hit it top. Nigga play get hit with Glock, nigga.
You mad tough, buddy.
What is your turn? You are now. You gotta go. Come on.
Alright, go, bro.
Go. Yeah. You know I gotta catch the flow though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. 556. Hit you in your shit. That nigga bitch. He sucking on dick. Hey. Yeah. That nigga gay. I'ma shoot him in the face cause that nigga gay. Yeah. Hey, I just repeated. I don't know what the fuck I just repeated, nigga. Yeah, okay, I'm ass. I'm finna hop off this beat cause I'm trash.
Alright, my turn. Alright, listen. Slides on my feet. Nickname Ski. Hold on. Let me catch it back. Hold on. Last name Ski. Sucking on my meat. I don't be my meat.
You sorry, nigga.
You suck. Nah, I was going crazy.
You was going stupid, buddy.
You say stupid stuff, but that shit makes sense for me.
But the story
He was going stupid, buddy.
Run into that.
Zebo attracts and traps bugs
Give me some
24/7
differences.
using a blue
Let me see
LED
that.
light and no odor and will not
Are you
absorb
gonna shoot the ball or another beat?
protection.
I did.
The ball.
Friendly.
You take it right like this. Elbow go up. Like that.
Amber Swaddlers keeps
Look.
baby 3.
We just freestyling right now.
Nigga, what you doing?
Hold on. I get this ball. Listen. I get this ball. I bounce it.
Go ahead.
Hop on the beat, bro.
Come on, just ask you first.
Alright, give me a word.
Alright, ready?
Stolen.
Stove.
Yeah.
Stove.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
A screwy type of beat.
Now you gotta go. Nope. Come on, you hard. You going. Now you go.
Give me a word.
Boo boo.
Chill out.
Chicken. Chicken.
Yeah. Chicken.
Catch the beat, bro.
Yeah. I'm getting chicken. Running down this store, you hit it, nigga. Fuck your bitch. She say I'm getting chicken, nigga. Had to cook the chicken other day, nigga. Had to hit her with the switch, cause he get chicken. Chicken. Fucking your bitch. Chicken.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Yeah.
Fly.
Chicken. You know I'm ripping. Last name Griffith. Oh.
She getting chicken.
Go ahead, bro.
Nigga play. We
I
doing
like
no
Popeye
pick.
chicken. Fucking on your bitch. She said she gon' hit the curb, bitch. You hit the lick.
Then I put her in the ditch. This nigga crazy, yeah, I smack his ass in this bitch. I run with my Glock 19, it's tucked up in my wrist. Everybody know my name, nigga play get hit with sticks.
Had to get the drink. Money on my head, cause you know I get the bank.
Bang.
Went
Got
to
that
the bank.
shit on like I'm winning bake. Nigga play get hit with cake, nigga
Had to pop a firework the other day. You say I was.
That shit was hard.
Bro, what?
Tommy said this for 5 hours the other day. Like who even come up with that? Like, you really cook with it. Why? This is all some cheap shit.
Alien life was always a foregone conclusion. I'll pay your monkey ass when I.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, this be hard.
What'd he say? Okay. It's the 4th of July. Hey, yeah. We finna pop some fireworks, shoot 'em up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm kinda ass. I'm rapping on this shit cause I'm having a blast. Yeah. Yeah. We doing big. You know we got to pay. Man, we making lays. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We go lays. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a A. Yeah.
Come on, KB.
That's my son. Bro. Alright, let's see. Alright, shoes on my feet. Bro, I can't run. I can't do this shit.
It's tough with the beat, bro. Tell me what Drake, money in my head, you get the bank. Fucking your bitch, she gon' eat the cock and all rain. In a scat, swerving bitch, bitch you know I hate. Bitch you hate it, cause I'm running to the bank. Getting cheese, money on my head, you know I get the bees. Fucking your bitch, she said, she gon' spell the bees. Go ahead, bro.
Hey, fuck your bitch. You know, she gon' spell the bees. I don't give a fuck, I shoot it from the back like 3. Niggas wanna play with me, I shoot it that's like Stephen Curry. The nigga play get hit with you at Oreo McFlurry. Papa's gon' hit your 30, then hit your fucking taco. The nigga play, I shoot you ass and turn you to some nachos. The nigga play get hit with candy, nigga get you.
You tough gangsta. It's kinda ass right now. Let me hop on this shit and then break it back now. Okay, yeah, okay. I got the bankroll. 5, 5, 6, shoot him in his fucking head roll. Okay, we go head roll.
Head roll.
Him in the face cause that nigga stand still like head hole.
Head hole. Okay, the tires turn.
Shoot him like head home, shoot him in the face. Papa, he gon' hit you too. Shoot him in the fucking case. I ride with my pay. Look, beat solo 3 on the ground. Shoot him one time, then I shoot him again. We ain't make it sound. Nah, pick a new beat.
Catch the flow.
Go ahead.
No, I got what's this? Never mind.
Alright, he going
60.
Change it.
60.
You gonna hop on?
Yeah, I'm like bloodhound. I'm fucking bitches. You say you getting money, bitch, I get chicken.
You say you getting money, bitch, I'm getting them digits.
What?
You getting
Digits. Had to push down on the bitch, she keep acting hard. Had to slide up on the nigga, cause he hitting scarred. He said he gon' scare. Bitch, what? I'm smacking nigga up, hit her with the chair. What the fuck?
You going next, boy? Get it?
This ain't WWE.
What you gotta say, cuz? Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro.
You know we on this beat with the fucking bros. No. In the fucking toes, nigga. He sucking toes, nigga. He said he come from my bitch, nigga. What? No. Fucking shit, no. Bitch, you hitting the dog. Had to kick the dog. I had to slide the road. I had to come stomp the bitch. Bitch, you say you close. Yeah, he froze. Money on my head. Fucking yo bitch until she get my red. Ooh.
Yo, red.
Yo, what the fuck was you talking about, gang?
You tough, bro. Like, you tough, bro. You tough, bro.
Hey, when we popping the big shit, we popping that last?
Yeah.
Alright. The weak ass fireworks. Our shit. Man,
We are trying to get these up.
Yeah, throw them in the ground.
all this.
Alright, bet. Watch out. Don't make sure you don't hit the car, you idiot.
Oh, I can't even see that bitch. I can't even see that shit. That shit went fast as fuck.
Hold on.
I get the bitch. That's what we got right here. We got big shit. We got, oh shit. Look, they trying to kill me, bro. Look. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get it this time. Damn. Oh!
That shit was fire!
Oh god. This shit was, oh, what's that? Damn! But look at the moon. Oh, you can't really see it on camera. Watch out, what you finna light this time?
Oh, that shit hot.
What hot?
Up. Don't get hurt, you
Bro, do it.
Cause you wanna do dumb shit.
Oh, there we go. Get back.
Oh shit.
This nigga right here. He's serious as a bitch. Oh! Damn, that shit hurt my ear. This nigga almost failed, stupid ass nigga. This nigga broke the firework.
That shit burning? Yeah. What's burning? Oh.
Fire starts. Yeah, chill out. Don't keep going.
Don't angle it that way. Don't angle it towards the wood.
Watch out.
No.
Oh! Bro, why is lighting so
I
fast?
thought that shit was about to hit. Oh, hey, no more one of them, fool. That shit dead. I thought that shit was about to hit me.
Hey, why that shit so loud? Come on, let's pop a medium one.
What's that?
What's that?
100 shot.
100 shots.
What about put him laying on?
Hey, y'all move the car. I'm finna move the car.
Quickly, word. This shit not look at this.
Light it right now, first try. Oh,
Hey, Justin, hold on.
oh my god. And he blew it out. Oh my god. He might be that guy. You finna light it?
He moving the car.
But he's scary. It's not finna hit the car. But I mean, it is smart.
Oh yeah, that ain't fun. That's somebody got one.
No, it ain't. That's the office, nigga.
That bit look good. What the fuck? Look what I can do. You ready?
This nigga's not cool.
You ready?
Yeah, do it. Show me something. Oh,
Hey, what the other one you had?
wait, do it again? Do it again?
Let me do it again. Hey, he's off.
Eee.
Oh. What the other one you had, KB?
Which one?
Oh, them. I brought 2. Oh,
They both in the bed.
should we do both of them at the same time?
We could. What it is? 200 shots?
I got a big 300 shot.
Oh, somebody else pulled up. Oh, they not lighting fireworks.
Before we even get that started, where's that at? Oh, here it is. We got some more.
Oh gosh, shine the light.
We
shine
got
the
some
light.
more.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we got them big motherfuckers.
Oh, should we do this?
Let me do that. Let me do that one.
What that is?
Gangsta, come on,
Wait, put
gangsta.
the light on that. Let me see. Put the light on.
Where's the
Go ahead, gangster.
Oh yeah, put the.
Let's go, gangster. You got
Come on. Let's hope we don't hit
That
nobody
shit look
else.
little as a bitch.
Nigga, you tap this first and then you light it.
Wait, this?
Hey, let me see.
Shit no.
I got it to work.
Oh hell nah.
Damn, Justin.
Look at this. Look at these scare ass niggas. They scared as a bitch. Oh, he lit it. Oh my god. What's finna happen? Oh! Oh! Oh, god.
Pop this shit over here.
Pop what? Oh, that 100 shot?
Yeah, that shit's fine.
Oh, god, it do stink.
What a flashlight so I can see.
Here, I got you.
Why you pop both of them at the same time? Hold on.
No, don't put it on the sewage drain. What the hell?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. Well, I can't even see them bitches popping.
July. The fuck you talking about? 4th of July, fuck, nigga. Oh, God.
And we still got these right here. Still got these.
Let me put the flash on it.
Put the flash on. What's this right here? Ooh. Wait, when we get this? Put the flashlight, bro. Ooh, I know this shit gonna be fire.
Damn, that shit going. I ain't gonna lie, we just did a jump on this shit. Cause this shit loud as fuck. Everybody popping fireworks. What the fuck? That shit not lighting. That shit not lighting.
Nigga, it's already shot out, nigga. Somebody already used it.
Oh yeah, dumbass.
Like that.
Stupid. Dumbass. Nigga. Like, look at him.
Hey, get that. Go get that.
Look at this nigga.
Oh no.
Do it. Oh, that's gonna be so much orange.
Please don't do no boot. No, you know what? You can't hold it like that.
There we go. I ain't doing that. It just landed on me.
Oh, God, fuck that.
It still landed on me.
Here.
Did it not feel good like something? Scary? Nah, you scary. You don't want to go like nothing. Look here. This nigga's scary. Put the camera on him. He ain't putting it over here. He ain't in that field. Look at him. He's ducking up in the back.
Nigga, who?
Go get in that field. Go light something. You sweat? You hot?
Damn, I just seen a big ass firework in the back of the camera. What are they lighting now? I'm not going over there. They're not finna get me killed. Man, that weak ass shit.
You just had that one. What the hell?
Oh, we did?
That's what you do.
Oh. Damn.
Ooh. There we go.
How many shots it got?
100.
Damn, that's a lot.
Wait.
Damn, that's a lot of
As
smoke.
soon as they go up, bro. Big flame.
Not for real.
Hey, is that the same? No, it's not the same one. Wait, are those all the same ones? Go light it.
Huh?
There we go, light it.
What that is? Shots.
Let Jamari light it. Let him light it.
Bro, you gotta teach me how to pause this hoe. How to pause it? You gotta teach me. This nigga Jamari finna light it. He finna blow himself up.
Nigga, oh my God.
Nigga, I know how to use the shit.
Nigga, no, you don't.
I got it.
Go, nigga, go.
Oh.
You can't be back up, nigga.
Chill, nigga, I'm backing up. Damn. Hey, that's that, hey, that's that loud shit. Oh, it's done. Damn.
Let me light something.
Do this.
Nah, let me do this for you. Well, I ain't never been pushed.
Do this one.
This
Oh,
one.
the fuse out.
Yeah, I know I got it.
What?
Like that one.
Hold it.
I'm not holding that shit.
Oh God.
I'm not holding that shit.
Oh, no.
I'm not taking no chance, bro.
They spent $140 on that bit.
What are you doing? Don't hold it like that, you fucking idiot. Hold it from the bottom.
Nigga said, oh. Hey. Where my phone go? Oh. Oh shit. Oh yeah. KB getting active on there. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit, KB.
Oh shit, hold on. Hold on, that shit popping, boy. That shit popping. Oh shit. That boy
KB getting active on there.
Oh god, that nigga was gonna kill himself.
You have my phone? Oh! Oh! What? What the fuck? They had bullshit. They ass across the damn street. They finna kill our ass, nigga. What the fuck? They straight finna kill our ass, bro. KB, hold this.
Hey, move that out the way. I got you. Let me like that one.
I got you.
But if I didn't move that car, we would have been cooked. Oh my gosh, I didn't move that car, we would have been cooked.
Hey, we need a flashlight. It's too dark for the camera.
Oh my god, you almost
That one
died.
out the way. Somebody.
Move, yeah, you gotta throw that out the way, Tom.
That's dirt.
I'll be your song.
Motherfuckers start popping and shit.
Alright, show them some of the tires. What that
You
is?
gotta let that out. I bought that bitch.
Ooh, you bought that?
Yeah.
That hoe do look nice.
Oh god, look like this some bullshit.
Oh, well, hold on.
Oh, hold on, what?
There's multiple shit in there.
Oh!
What's this?
That's them big ones.
Oh, yeah, I got the good shit.
Oh, yo.
I got that good shit.
I just knew it was gonna be some good shit from looking at the box. Hey, we gotta be careful with these ones though.
What happened? You just gotta light. You gotta
You gotta
light.
light it, then you gotta run. But you gotta hope it don't fall on the side, cause if it do, it's gonna shoot right at you.
Oh yeah.
Somebody put the flashlight.
So no, put them. Yeah, put it all in the. Put the
What that
everything in the
finna
box.
be? Oh, nothing.
You want to clean up.
Grab the box too, boy.
Grab. Oh God, nigga gonna kill a nigga, boy. All
Alright, go ahead.
right.
Alright, go ahead, the
Hold
tires.
on. Let me record this bitch. Hold on, the tires.
Go ahead, the tires.
All right, let's go. It's bullshit. Justin, get away.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, bro.
The tires? Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's the 4th of July.
Hey.
Bitch ass nigga. Yeah. What?
I thought it's only one shot.
Oh.
Let me get next.
Oh yeah, let him get next. Let Twin get next.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that was low key doo doo.
I mean, it's.
I thought it was gonna be like 2 shots at least.
I mean,
That was good though. That was a good.
Yeah, that's some
good
dumb
block.
shit. No, it won't even work to be honest.
Hey, put all up now.
I mean, we can.
your turn, KB.
I mean, we
my
can.
turn
We
here.
have to, no, we have to put the lights together, but that shit gonna be probably done.
Let me see the lighter. Oh yeah.
Oh shit! No, wait, no. Alright.
Damn.
Funny guy.
Oh. I gotta be. Them hoes going so high, I can't even get them hoes on the camera. Well, with that, I ain't never seen that before.
Popping them hoes.
Oh, yo, what is that firework? That shit was fire. Here. Hey, the tires, hold this. It's your turn. Hey, put it.
Oh shit. We got 3 more.
Hey, Jamar turn or
Stop that up.
What color y'all think it's gonna be? I think it's blue.
Purple.
Nigga. Stop being scared, gangster. Don't be scared, gangster.
We was both wrong. Helicopter.
Nah, you different.
Active in this whole active.
Light it, Malachi.
Oh shit.
my man, she gonna leave.
I put the light on the head.
Get high.
Oh my.
Hey, you got the jacket or something?
Them bitches look like bullets.
Wrap that bitch.
Wrap what?
Get this bitch off the what's in there and put them over here. Put this shit over here.
Use the cardboard.
Here, use this.
Yo, they?
Oh my god.
Hey, they probably spent like over $200 on
They got cake.
It's
not loud, nigga.
Give me that cardboard over there.
What you need cardboard for?
This shit hot as fuck.
Oh, the thing? Somebody calling me.
Your mama? His mama calling him. His mama calling him, ain't it?
I'm a real nigga, you know.
Oh yeah, thug. Oh yeah, thug.
Here.
What you finna like? We in this bitch, boy. We turned up in this bitch. On me. I'm sweating like a bitch. Let me see that. Oh, you finna pop that hell? Yeah, he finna pipe that hell. Pop that hell. Come on, thug. Pop that hoe. Oh, shit. That shit go in the air, Justin? Oh, shit. What? Hey, that nigga, hey, this shit turned, fool. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Niggas thought that I would never do it. Now that I'm looking crazy. On the top floor, looking down on my haters, I swear she feeling amazing. Alright, oh, okay. Me and my gang put in work for real, we ain't got time to play. Swing got ARP, yeah. I will Billy Bees, yeah. This bitch showing me, yeah. She good on her knees, yeah. Can't get over me, I had to pay her to leave, yeah. Rico and Boots and they blacked out, and her dinner be Japanese. My heart closed, can't cry on my shoulder. I got enough feelings inside of it, and you cannot find a photo. Yeah, I love my diamonds a pole, yeah. Can't wait till I get in the road, yeah. The reason that I never chose her, yeah, I ain't got time to hold her. My heart frozen, girl, get on my back. My heart frozen, I could never let. My heart frozen, my heart frozen, my heart frozen, my heart. Niggas thought that I would never do it. Now that I'm looking crazy. On the top floor, looking down on my haters, I swear she feeling amazing. Alright, oh, okay. Me and my gang put in work for real, we ain't got time to play. Swing got ARP, yeah. I will Billy Bees, yeah. This bitch showing me, yeah. She good on her knees, yeah. Can't get over me, I had to pay her to leave, yeah. Rico and Boots and they blacked out, and her dinner be Japanese.